Well, good morning. I'll say good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and today is Monday, April 2nd. Today, I want to make a video on why I read, and also I want to share the book of the week as well. Um, so why I read and collect books is that it's really a part of my education uh, alternative because I can't afford to go to college. And so I got to have something that will not only to challenge me, but also to learn. And that way I learn so much. And I do got my learning note journals here. And I learn a lot from the history of the Baptists. I learned the introduction to theology, um, biotechnology, what it is, the history of it. Uh, I learned the history of the modern philosophies. I learned about social media marketing, organic chemistry. I learned about, let's see here. I learned about the introduction to the New Testament history and literature, Old Testament survey, um, introduction to the country of China, financial markets, uh, covenant theology, so forth and so forth that I've learned from when I read like in like a Wikipedia article or reading a textbook like this, which is very, very thick, and I'm almost done reading it. As you may see, I'm like halfway done. And so I learned so lot. I learned a lot of things through reading and also taking some courses to really expand the knowledge that I need in order to become either a successful landscaper or a successful entrepreneur, and to really, or well, not really a successful pastor, but more as a tool to have all the skill sets that you need to order to become successful. And I really planning out, you know, educating myself what is, for example, C corporation uh, thing, or S corp, or LLC. Different type of businesses. Um, you can work for yourself. You can bring multiple business partners, and just really learn so much about um, like really learning about academics and stuff like that, and truly have the time to read and study. And this is why I started reading and collecting books, so that I can learn and develop skill sets that will help me become more successful. Especially in teaching. I love to teach. Even though I can't get a bachelor's degree, so I can teach in a high school, middle school, or elementary school level. But I can start my own business, teaching and doing some tutoring to help students understand the material. And that brings me to the book of the week. Is general what's this? General Chemistry by Linus Pauling. He is a this is written by a trying to see here. And then this is written by Dover Publishings. Um, I got this very very cheap, like around I'm gonna say around I think $1 or something, and plus shipping. I think this guy is a Russian. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the other one. Uh, I can't find any more details in this, but anyway, this book has been currently on your ring still, but I think that is a good idea to do this. Basically, well, all the general uh, materials on chemistry, like the chemical bonds to the non-metallic elements in some of the compounds, to quantum mechanics, gases, quantum mechanics, and statistical mechanics, chemical uh, chemical thermodynamics, water, acid and bases, the rate of chemical reactions. It has inorganic complexes in the chemistry of the transmetals, iron, cobalt, nickel, and the premium metals, zinc, copper, organic chemistry, biochemistry, and also nuclear chemistry as well. And so this book has been really helped me to study chemistry in a way that will help me to understand, uh, the different equations and different theories from chemistry. And this is a very, very interesting book to read. And you can get this on Amazon. To search for General Chemistry by Leon Pauling, or you can go to or type in Dover Books, Dover, and you can look for it there. And so I highly recommend this book. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again later.